HHBT second generation steel structure building system. Video overview. As the tides of progress surge forward, the construction industry is undergoing a profound transformation. Among the three mainstream prefabricated building systems, the traditional steel structure remains widely used, with a relatively high degree of assembly capability and industrialization. However, it faces limitations: outdated production techniques, high maintenance costs for its three-panel system, and heavy reliance on skilled labor during construction. These issues hinder its ability to meet the modern demands for efficiency, sustainability, and safety. By combining the strengths of conventional steel structure systems and precast concrete (PC) technologies, the team at Horizon Homes Building Technologies, HHBT, independently developed the HHBT second generation steel structure building system. This innovation addresses key industry challenges, enabling the transformation of traditional construction towards energy-integrated systems, digitalized processing, and precision-driven assembly. Founded in 2019, HHBT has rapidly evolved into a comprehensive construction technology enterprise, integrating the R&D of green building systems, standardized design processes, BIM-integrated applications, recycling and utilization of solid waste, R&D and manufacturing of smart equipment, advanced manufacturing of components, assembly of prefabricated components, and data-driven, digitalized project management. We take pride in our strengths in research, innovation, and intelligent construction. We have obtained 6 invention patents, 70 utility model patents, and 3 design patents. We hold EPC general contracting qualifications, and in 2023, we were officially recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. As a pioneer in the prefabricated and modular construction industry, we launched China's first second-generation steel structure building system, helping to define a new era in high-performance prefabrication. The HHBT second-generation steel structure building system brings innovation to life by applying intelligent manufacturing across all components: steel columns, steel beams, UTS floor slabs, exterior precast wall panels, and interior precast wall panels, all designed for rapid assembly. With a fully prefabricated production process, we deliver exceptional efficiency for buildings under 100 meters. Through digitalized technologies, we have redefined architectural logic and processes. From component delivery to topping out and interior finishing, every phase is managed through digitalized systems. All components are prefabricated through advanced production techniques. The UTS floor slab features pre-reserved stud bolt holes, requiring only minimal joint treatment on-site at slab joints. This eliminates the need for large-scale secondary concrete pours while ensuring complete structural performance. Built on a platform of standardized components, the system enables flexible configurations supported by millimeter-level precision, as well as cost efficiency through factory automation. Compared with conventional building systems, our second-generation steel structure building system offers 8 core advantages. 1. Standardization and flexibility. We have achieved standardization through series-based components, enabling flexible layouts and freedom in design. 2. Cost advantage. Our system cost is comparable to conventional construction methods and is highly cost-effective. 3. Shorter build times. Our system sees a 50% reduction in build times compared to traditional builds. 4. High assembly rate. We have achieved a 95% prefabrication rate for main structures, greatly minimizing on-site work. 5. Industrialization. Our processes promote the systematic industrialization of construction and housing developments. 6. Smart manufacturing. Components are produced through our smart manufacturing workshops, delivered with high precision and effectively lowering cost. 7. Revitalizing productivity. Our technologies can be integrated within the network of over 1,300 PC production lines in China, maximizing equipment and infrastructure utilization. 8. Low carbon and eco-friendly. We are pioneers in carbon-neutral innovations, and we are committed to ongoing environmental goals. At HHBT, our mission is to drive the integration of advanced manufacturing and construction industrialization. Driven by technology, we are helping to bring civil construction to the 4.0 era, where quality, speed, and sustainability work hand in hand. We will continue to lead with an innovation-driven development strategy. Through continuous R&D and breakthrough thinking, we are pioneering the transformation of traditional construction into next-generation systems. Built on energy-integrated structures, digitalized processing, and precision assembly, we are committed to delivering high-performance, scalable, and sustainable building solutions, pushing the boundaries of intelligent construction. Engineered to standard. Building for tomorrow. Horizon Homes Building Technologies.